Hey, what is up guys? I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are staying safe, staying indoors during this time of pandemic. I hope you guys like the new bedroom studio setup that I got going on. This is where I'll be recording most of my videos now since my work studio space is closed due to the lockdown. And that is where I used to record most of my videos such as unboxings or any other videos other than travel vlogs. And that is where I had all my lighting gear and camera rig setup. I came across Daniel Schiffer'S $40 cake pan light video like about a year ago, and I recently revisited it because I wanted a lighting setup, a cheap lighting setup. So I wanted to recreate that cake pan light, but with Amazon orders being delayed, I decided to challenge myself to create something similar with stuff that I could find at home or stuff that I already have. Now the title of the video is kind of misleading because it says for $0, but that's because I already own like most of these items. That being said, I did some digging around in the kitchen and I found myself a cake pan, but it wasn't reflective like the one Daniel used. It was sort of like dark gray. Hold up, let me go get it. Yeah, I found this. It's matte and it's like dark gray and not really reflective, so yeah, this just didn't really work. The closest thing I found to the reflective cake pan was this shiny aluminum tray that you could find at any dollar store. I also found this strip of LED lights and this diffusion sheet that I had because I use it for photography. Initially I thought it'd be super easy because all I had to do was just stick the LED lights around the tray and that's it, but it's not working. It was a total nightmare since the LED strip lights were old and the DC was coming off, so it wasn't sticking properly, and to make matters worse, the aluminum tray had all these grooves which made like the strip lights really hard to like stick onto. But I was not gonna give up, so I got a glue gun and painstakingly went through the task of glue gunning all the LED strips around the edges of the tray. And yeah, that was not fun. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm pretty much done. Not gonna lie, this took me longer than expected, and I just gotta clean this mess up a little bit. It's barely hanging on, so I'm kind of scared. So let's go ahead and plug this up right now. It's actually working so far. Okay, so let's clean all this garbage up and let's pop this diffuser on. Okay, so originally I was gonna tape this diffusing cloth on my DIY light, but what I'm gonna do instead is just tape the light on this light stand and then just like drape the diffusing cloth over it, I think. Well, let's just see how this is gonna work. I got some tape, as you can see. Why is this so hard? That's how it looks from the back. As you can see, super sturdy. Ta-da! My masterpiece. What happens if I just drape this over? Thing is, I don't want to cut this because this is the only diffusing sheet I have. So like I'm trying to think of ways to not waste stuff. I mean, I could pin it from the back. Let me get a safety pin. Be right back. Okay, so I found a couple of safety pins. Really hoping this doesn't ruin the cloth, but we'll see. Let me flip this around for you guys to see what I'm doing. By the way, I have no idea what I'm doing, like zero. Aim properly. Make sure it goes through every single knot. I think it's ready. What do you guys think? Does it look cool? Hold up. Let me plug this. I'm pretty happy. Not gonna lie. Yeah, you can really see my face lighting up there, no pun intended. And obviously the light that I'm using right now is the same DIY light that I just made. I think it's doing a pretty good job. One thing I have to mention is that it's super disposable. Like, I don't think it's gonna last like 1 week if I move it around constantly, so I'm just gonna let it sit there because this is my studio now. I also encourage you guys, if you guys are making any sort of video content, to try this out. It's pretty cheap, it's easy to do if you follow Daniel, not me. That is it for this video. If you guys want to see more tutorials, let me know in the comments below. I'll be posting Iceland vlogs soon, so stay tuned for that. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. This is what Peter McKinnon does, right? I'm not Peter McKinnon, so I'm not gonna do that. But yeah. Almost forgot one thing. Parsa is awesome, and I'm supposed to do some sort of video dance. I don't know how to dance, but we'll try. Should we do a floss? I'm never betting again. Never.